Hey Amazon seller, are you struggling with low sales and sky high ACOS? Your product is dying slowly and all you are doing is throwing money into PPC black hole. I have seen this many times before, but in this video today I'm going to show you exactly what I would do step by step to rescue your listing like an Amazon FBA doctor. Hi, I'm Anoop, founder of Ad Zenith. After managing ad campaign for 500 plus Amazon products, I have seen one common pattern that sellers think that spending more money will bring more sales, but in most of the cases they end up losing more money. So let me show you what actually works instead. Let's go. So first thing first, diagnose the real problem. Before I even touch the ad campaigns and a listing optimization or throw discounts around, I dive straight into the business reports and brand analytics to understand what is stopping us. Because if you don't know what is broken, how will you fix it? I ask three questions in this order. Is it CTR, is it CVR, or is it just no traffic? This order is important because you can fix the traffic with the campaigns easily, but if your CTR is broken, if your CVR is broken, no matter how much traffic you send to your listing, it won't make any difference. By the way, at the end of this video, I'll share my screen and show you step by step how exactly I analyze business reports and brand analytics to find out CTR, CVR and traffic issues. So please make sure to watch this video till the end and hit a like if you learn anything new and do subscribe this channel. Okay, for now let's assume it is the CTR, click-through rate. That means people are seeing your ad but not clicking on it, like a book with a boring cover. No one even opens it. So here's what I'll fix immediately to fix the CTR. Number one, main image. This is your thumbnail, your first impression. It has to stop the scroll. Your main image should make it very obvious what is the product. The shoppers should validate their keywords. Like if they are looking for coffee powder, your main image should say it clearly that it is a coffee powder. Number two, I'll fix the title, especially the first 80 character, because that is visible in the search result page, and this first 80 characters should say it clearly that what is the product and who is it for. Third, the pricing. If your product is overpriced or your structure is bad, nothing will work. Now, what if it is a CVR issue? Okay, so people are clicking on your product now but not buying it, which is a conversion problem. This is where most of the listing bleeds silently. So what do I do? Number one, improve your listing copy. Rewrite your title, bullets with clarity, benefits and no fluff. But make sure don't miss out on SEO. When you are working on any kind of content and writing, make sure SEO is your top priority. Two, check your pricing strategy. This alone can change your CVR by a lot. Your product pricing should be strategic and your pricing structure should be super good. When I say pricing structure, I mean it. How will you have combined your targeted price, your regular price with discount coupons? Let's assume your selling price is 25 USD, then you can set your price to 27 USD or 30 USD, let's say, and then offer $5 discount or set a strike through pricing like this. You can see on the screenshot, you can use discount price discount feature on Amazon Seller Center to get this kind of strike through pricing. And in case your product is eligible for subscribe and save, use that coupon. That is super effective for supplements, beverages or any kind of subscribe and save eligible product. Number three, fix your images. Here I am not talking about the main images but rest of the images, supporting images. You should use infographics images, comparison images and lifestyle images. Apart from those, make sure your product images are answering all the questions related to your products a shopper may think of. Let's assume you are selling a supplement product, then the images should answer what is the product, who is it for, what are the ingredients, how to use it, what are the allergies, what to avoid. Everything should be pretty clear in the images itself. Number four, upgrade your brand story and A+ content. Make them feel something. A+ content and brand story are not for telling more information about your product, but it is for telling the story, your brand story, your story, what you are doing and how you are different than the market and why should people buy from you. So these information, these answers, these customer experiences should be embedded in your A+ content and brand story. Number five, yes, rating and reviews. These are super important. If your rating and reviews are bad or if you have 0 rating and reviews, your ads are not going to perform that good. So make sure you acquire some rating and reviews before you start working on ads and start working on scaling your product. And Amazon has a super good program which is called Wine program. You can buy 30 reviews for your product in the beginning. I think you need to spend 200 USD. I need to check. I understand for some sellers it might sound expensive, but it is completely worth it. Let me tell you a story. We were launching a product. There were 6 variations for that product, and we decided to enroll all 6 items in the wine program. In the beginning, we didn't combine all the listings together. We didn't create the parentheses. But what we did, we created wine program for each of them, each 6 of them, and gathered 30 wine reviews for each of them. And now when we combine them, we got 180 reviews. 4.7 was the rating, because most of the wine reviews were 5-star. So we got 180 reviews, as I said, and 4.7 rating, and the product got a boost instantly because of this rating and reviews. And all the campaigns what we run could run and perform effectively because of this rating and customer validations. Okay, so what if it is a traffic issue, which means you are not getting enough eyeballs? Okay, so it's time for a traffic surgery now. So let's start with the SEO first. Fix your SEO. Find out all the relevant keywords for your product. I use Helium 10 to find out the keywords. I think everybody uses Helium 10. Go and find out a coupon, a discount on the subscription on Helium 10 in my description, and start using it for yourself too. Once you find out all the relevant keywords, make sure you have the relevant keywords inside your title, bullet points, and backend keywords, and in the image tags as well. I understand you cannot put the keywords everywhere, like all the keywords everywhere, but make sure your keywords are at some place, like it should be on, maybe on the in the content or backend or in the image tag. There should be repetitions also of your main keywords. Number 2, work on your ads. Make sure you are ranking on your must rank keywords, on the main keywords for your niche, for your product, and for the main competitors listing. Make sure you are listing over there. And to find out your main keywords, must rank keywords and should rank keywords, I have prepared a cheat sheet which you can find in the description sheet. Go and check it out. Once you have your list of main keywords, should rank keyword, must rank keywords, go and check if you have those keywords inside the campaigns. If you don't have, start creating campaigns, and you should have single keyword campaigns to scale on main keywords. Those are the keywords which are most relevant and are having high search volume. Similarly, with Essence 2, go and find out the competitor listing which are getting most of the traffic, and make sure you are ranking on their product detail pages. Apart from this, you should work on the sponsored brand ads, also sponsored video ads, and some sponsored display ads as well. So third step is to fix your ad strategy. Create campaigns, target long tail keywords only if you're not already ranking on those keywords. If you are already ranking on those keywords, don't target for the first page. You can target with the smaller bits. I don't like to target everything, all the keywords there, but target which are relevant, which have some sales history, which you believe that you can, get some sales, or for which you are not on the first page already. Effective Amazon PPC is super important, because Amazon PPC is going to build visibility for your products, and without visibility, you can't sell your product, no matter how great your product is. Okay, as I promised, I am inside my computer screen to show you how exactly I analyze brand analytics and business reports to understand CTR, CVR, and traffic. So first of all, I'm going to open the brand analytics. This is a real account by the way, and to go to brand analytics, once you go to brand analytics, you need to go on the search catalog performance. I don't know if you have already seen this page. This is very crucial. This is going to give you the CTR data instantly, and this is the only place where you can get the CTR data in this super good manner. Okay, I like to go with monthly data, so I selected April 2025, and now you can see this is the product. This is first item. I'm going to hide this information because of the privacy of my clients. Okay, but you can see, by the way, before I go ahead, let me show you this dashboard show you how customers interact with your brand's products throughout the search shopping journey. So this entire data sheet you are seeing, this is only relevant for the search result page, right? Any impressions you received from a product detail page will not be added here. So you can see this product first item got 62,000 impressions from the search result page, and from the search result page the CTR was 5.87. By the way, this is what I want to see, how CTR is, how good CTR is when someone is typing a keyword in the search result page, in the search. Okay, now this is the CTR 5.87 for this item. 3.15 is the good. 2.84 is also good. For this CTR I have seen around 3% is super good. And now 1.16 is, this is bad. 0.7 again bad. 1.22 again bad. 0.7 is super bad. So these 4 items we need to work on the CTR. For conversion rate, you can see conversion rate here as well. You will get an idea, but this is only for search result. We can get much more data and total data in the business report. So for CTR, I use this catalog, search catalog performance. Okay, now let's go to the business report. I'm going to open the business report for the last month, or maybe this month so far, or maybe last 30 days, whatever you like. So this is last 30 days data. I'm going to download and then I'm going to show you. So the business report is downloaded. I am going to open this sheet. Okay. So I am going to delete this data right here, and then I'm going to name this one as in okay. So there are 8 ASIN. So now I am going to talk in the terms of ASIN 1 and ASIN 8. Okay, so ASIN 1 you can see. So first thing, we check the CTR. If CTR is good, we are going to check the CVR. So for this item, 20.63%, this is unit session percentage, is the CVR, conversion rate. You can say this is sessions. Sessions means all the unique visit to your product detail page. This is the actual traffic, total traffic. So 5,849 people checked the product detail page of this item, these many unique persons. And then this is the actual one. This is B2B. So this is 23.41%. This is the conversion rate. This is super good. So for this item, we need to push on traffic if there is some issue with the sales and e-cost. This item is the CTR was good for this item. For the first item, CTR was good. I remember this item, the CTR was good. So and CVR is also good. So we need to work on traffic if there is any issue with the sales. Next, 10%, the CVR is bad, little bad I'll say. We can work to improve the CVR here, and then good. Anything greater than 10 is good. Anything less than 7% is not good. By the way, it depends on the pricing also. If you have a higher priced item, higher ticket item, your CVR will be comparatively low, but it depends. So okay, for this item, conversion rate is a problem, so we are going to work on the conversion rate. And for all these items where we can see more than 20% conversion, and we saw a good CTR, for this item we need to work on the traffic. We need to launch new campaigns. We need to optimize existing campaigns to push for more exposure, more traffic. So this is how exactly I analyze these reports. Do the same with your products, and if you apply these techniques correctly, damn sure I guarantee your sales will improve. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Let's meet very soon with a new video with a new topic. Before I go, please hit a like and do subscribe this channel if you want to keep watching this kind of content.